Hey guys, this one's a little out of order. It's my travel day to Las Vegas several weeks ago. I realized I'd never showed it to you guys, and I'd hate to see it go to waste, so enjoy.
Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and I'm here on the Garden State Parkway heading to Las Vegas today. Gonna do one of my trips to Las Vegas videos here, all the way from my front door to the door of the hotel, which happens to be the Mirage for this trip. I'm staying at the Mirage for I think 6 days. I do have a comped room at the New York Hotel and Casino on Monday, I believe, so I'm going to stay there for the night. I'm going to have basically 2 hotel rooms for that one night, but I'll bring you the pools and the rooms of both places and lots of videos in between. In any event, I have a very busy day today. It's only 6:30 in the morning. I've been up since 4, and of course there's that 3-hour difference, so this is going to be a long day, and I have a lot planned once I get to Vegas as well. So let's get started on this journey from my front door to the door of the Mirage, shall we? My last trip to Las Vegas, I spent a lot of time checking out local hotels and casinos and restaurants, as well as those downtown Las Vegas. This trip, however, I am going back to the Las Vegas Strip. Going to check out all the properties from the northern end to the southern end. Lots of new stuff on the Strip that I missed last trip because, again, I really didn't spend that much time on the Strip. So, looking forward to this. I did choose to stay at the Mirage, or the Hard Rock, if you will. It is completely 100% Hard Rock now. Even the rewards card is Hard Rock's rewards card. I did it because they're going to start making changes, I guess, in the next year or two, and I wanted to stay at one of my favorite properties for the very last time before all those changes started. I have a room that faces the volcano, so that should be pretty interesting, and of course I'll show you guys videos of that. Flying out on Spirit today. Normally I take United, but I do fly Spirit once in a while. Some people don't like Spirit. I don't mind Spirit at all, as long as you know what you're getting from Spirit, which isn't much. You're getting a basic flight for a low fare, and if you expect more than that, well, then you're going to be disappointed. You can book extras. I do book the extra comfy seat, whatever it's called. It's the first 4 seats in the fuselage. They're seated 2 across instead of 3 across, and they're leather or leatherette, whatever you want to call it. Very comfortable, and that's really the only option or upgrade that I booked on this flight. And you'll probably see the seats when I get on the plane. I said it before and I'll say it again, parking is incredibly expensive. I keep saying I'm going to find an alternative. I never seem to investigate and check things out, but parking here now is $60 a day. So from Sunday through Friday, it's going to cost me $360 just to park. Now what I didn't know is that you can reserve a spot here, and it's only $38 a day, but you have to do that 48 hours ahead of time, which obviously I can't do now, but that's good to know for the future. Hold on tight!
This is Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. I had to work late last night at my real job and of course get up early for this day of travel to Las Vegas today, and I got very little sleep. I managed to get almost 5 hours of sleep on this 5-hour flight, and when I woke up I was on the tarmac in Las Vegas, and all the flight attendants told me they were very proud of me. They've never seen someone sleep for 5 straight hours on an airplane before. I'm using a bus shuttle from the airport to the Mirage, so couldn't bring you guys downstairs along with me. Show you what that looks like. Seems like every time I get to Las Vegas, I find one way or another to get from Harry Reid International Airport to my hotel and casino, whether I rent a car or Lyft or Uber or this time bus shuttle. This bus shuttle, by the way, or shuttle bus I should say, is $15 round trip, $7.50 each way, extremely inexpensive. Before I forget, shout out to Deborah Camacho, who found Clarice the Miss America crown in my latest Atlantic City video, the Hard Rock North Tower Room Tour. Congratulations, Deborah. Hey, do me a favor, if you're enjoying the video, hit that subscribe button. It really does help the channel out. And give the video a thumbs up as well. And if you're really enjoying the video and like to support the New York channel, just click on that thanks button right underneath the video. Thanks for your support, guys. That's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed my trip all the way here from my front door to the Mirage's room door, I guess you can call it. Want to see the room? That's going to be a separate video, so make sure you check that out. Thanks for following me along today.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.